Okay. I just want to do a quick review. It's raining out today. I want y'all to see what the rear view LCD look like. Bang. As you can see, still working on my roof. Just took it out yesterday. But this is what the rear view mirror looks like. The LCD. As you can see, it's 1080p and it's recording front and back. Also, we're just now, it's water and everything splashing up right now in the back, so it fogs up every now and then. But as you can see, it's a real wide angle. Like, you can see all your blind spots on both sides as it records. So it's definitely a go. And I'm gonna show you the front as well. Just letting y'all get a good look at the back. That's the front. As you can see, it's also clear. Super wide angle for the front. So I can record. I'm recording front and back right now. Anything happen, accident, or anything happens, it's gonna record it. And it have a shock sensor built into it. So let's say, even if I hit a pothole really hard, what happens is the recorder, it locks that recording as if it was an accident. So even after the memory card fills up, I have a 64 gig memory card in there. It records 3-minute clips and it starts back over until the card is filled up, and it lets you know that the card is filled up and it needs to be erased. But even if it fills up and it hit a pothole real hard or an accident happened, it would not let you delete that file. You have to go into the computer. You have to put it into the computer to delete a hard saved file from an accident or a hard pothole. And you can see front and back. Car coming. Give me a quick second. I don't like messing with it while I'm going around bends and stuff. Little straight. That's the front and rear camera at the same time. I can't drive like that cause I wouldn't know what the hell I'm looking at, to be totally honest. I'd be confused looking at the wrong camera and everything. So, I just drive with the rear. Leave it at that. Okay. As you can see up here in the corner, your little GPS, and it also shows your miles per hour. It shows your speed, and it shows the direction you're going in. At the top, it shows you your recording time. I'm almost at a minute right now of recording. Also over there in the corner, it shows you your date and your time. So even if an accident happened, you have your time, your date, you have your speed recorded. You have everything you need to go to court, put it like that. Especially if it's not your fault. If it's your fault, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but hey, you might not want to tell you. Anyway, keep it honest. I just want to show y'all a quick review of everything though. I'm about to get home now and mess with this headliner or something. I plan on dyeing the headliner black. As you can see, my headliner and the pillars, they are beige because my interior is brown, I guess. But anyway, alright, till next time.